This is tutorial number 77, and it covers how to apply transparency within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is included on the DVD. Now the transparency can be applied at a part level, a face level, and an assembly level, like I showed in the last tutorial. So the reason behind using the transparency would to either show how transparent a part would really be in real life, or to allow people to kind of get their head around what's going inside the part. So it gives you a view to see inside of it. So what I'm going to do first is show you a surface transparency. So what I'm going to do is right click on the surface, click properties, and then with the transparency bar I'm able to set what the transparency I want is. Now I'm going to put it all the way to the end, click OK, and now I've made this part transparent. So this face is transparent, so I can see in and see what's going on. So this is a really good tool because in, say, something like this fishing reel, we can have all these gears and mechanisms going on, and we kind of want to keep everything together, but just take a look and kind of see through what's going on. So I'm able to see through this face, and I'm able to see what's going on inside. Now we can also do this on a part level. So let's right click on the handle assembly, click properties, and again let's set the transparency to the end. Click OK, and you can see now that this part is transparent. So we can see right through it, and all we can really see are the lines. Now if we press Ctrl Z and go back, we can also do this on the assembly level, just like the colors. So let's right click on the fishing reel, click properties, and for the transparency, we'll put it all the way to the end, click OK. And now we've made this whole assembly transparent. So if you have multiple assemblies going on at one time, this would also be a great tool because then you can turn one assembly transparent and you can see through it and see what's going on with the other assembly. So this is just another tool to play around with how your projects and products are going to look and how you're able to interact and view them. And this concludes our tutorial on how to apply transparency within Catia V5.